Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the essentials, your 12-digit Aadhaar or the 28-digit enrollment ID and the mobile link to it. Once done, open the UID portal or use the official app and choose Check Update Status. Enter your Aadhaar or EID, then request an OTP. Make sure to type the OTP accurately. This step verifies you so the system will return the correct update record. Don't pause, proceed as soon as the OTP arrives. Next, you pick the specific update type, demographic for name, address, DOB, or biometric for fingerprint/photo. Enter the URN or EID if prompted, then submit the one-time password to authenticate. The system will display a status line such as pending, under process, or updated. Make sure to note the update request number or transaction ID shown. You may need it for follow-up. If the page takes time, refresh only after a short wait to avoid duplicate queries. To finish, confirm the status. If it reads updated, download the masked or full e-Aadhaar and verify the changed fields. If it remains pending beyond the expected window, use your URN to lodge an inquiry online or contact the helpline. Include screenshots and timestamps. One troubleshooting tip. If OTP fails repeatedly, try a different network or re-register the mobile at an Aadhaar center. Intermittent carrier blocking can cause repeated OTP failure, and switching networks often resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.